Hey everyone, how are we doing? Today I'm going to be doing something I shouldn't be doing. I'm going to cut off some live mains water pipes. We're in the middle of some building work at the moment, and I need to move some of the existing pipe work. It's a bit difficult because all these pipes are still live and we can't disconnect them. That's something only the water board can do. But they're not here, and I need it doing now, so the builders can crack on. Don't need that. Yep. Is there B&O ring in there? No. Right. We can't bury this coil of pipe. It's got to be cut down, and that has got to be somewhere over there. This is the incoming. Obviously this is the new property just here, and this will be the incoming mains to the property, which comes off of the tap right over there. So I think the best way to do this, I've got my coupler here, my socket, so we're going to connect that there to there. I think cut it off there first, then get this end on onto this side, then cut that off there, or a bit further up actually, then connect it there. Right, let's give it a go. There we go. There we go. Need to tighten that up. There we go, stop the clock. So now, when I open this up, should get water pissing out over there. There we go. You see that? Yeah. Really. She's in. Alex wins again.